I am truly grateful. And I want to say this for the avoidance of any doubt, that when Baba here came to stand with me, it was not about him. It was not about his interests. It was not about parochial or sectarian or narrow interest. It was about the greater interest of Kenya. And history is going to judge the Honorable Raila Odinga fairly, that whenever there is an opportunity to stand for the nation, he has always stood for the nation. The Honorable Raila Odinga, I am very, very proud that our paths crossed and we have come this journey together. Let me say this to all of us. In this journey of nation building, everybody has a contribution to make in different ways. I am happy that today I am the leader of this broad-based government that I agreed with my brother Raila Odinga. And broad-based is not about the interests of any one of us. It's not about the interest of Baba here or my personal interest. It's about the interest of 45, 50 million Kenyans. And I will say this without any fear of contradiction, that because of our coming together, because of forging this relationship that has stabilized the country, that has created inclusivity, eliminated the things that divide us and the negative ethnicity that threatens our country, today we can proudly say our economy is stable. The dollar, which was at 160, is now at 129 shillings. Inflation, which was at 9.6%, is now at 3.5% because we have come together and we are working together. I can proudly say, without fear of any contradiction, that whether it is our electricity, and I am very proud of what Opiyo Wandayi has said. Today, we have resources spread around Kenya. This Siaya alone has 1.2 billion shillings to connect close to 15,000 new households. Something that has not happened before. It has happened under broad-based. Because we are conscious about leaving no part of Kenya behind. I am very proud that in the last 2 weeks, we have released for the first time 60 billion shillings to our roads. 4.6 billion has come to this region. And the 9 roads in this Siaya, all the contractors will now go back because we have done what we have done together.